Good evening, friends. This is Memo. I'm going to be making a pecan pie. In my mixing bowl, I have 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And I'm going to add 1 cup of dark Karo syrup. And 3 eggs. And 1 cup of white sugar. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And 1 cup of pecan packs. Each pack holds a half a cup. I've got the oven on 400 preheated. It'll go in there for 15 minutes. And then I'll turn it down to 325 for 30 minutes. I'll give this a mix-a-rooney. I'm going to add a dash of salt. Now it's going in just a regular pie shell, unbaked. This is going in the oven at 400 for 15 minutes. And then reduce the heat to 325 for 30 minutes. I just brought the pie out of the oven. It's done beautiful. I can't wait for it to cool and have a piece. It smells good too. Quote of the day. At the end of the day, I'm thankful that my blessings are bigger than my problems. Y'all have a nice day, and thanks for watching.